Well, hello again everybody. So today, a brass 50mm padlock, no name on it, just a picture. I picked this up from eBay after seeing a post on UK Lock Sport forum. Wasn't expecting too much from it, as it was only £3.75 delivered, but very surprised when it turned up this morning. Feels very nicely made, well put together, works nicely. We have a Y1 keyway. Bitting on this one isn't particularly brilliant, but it has at least 3 spools in it by the feel of it, and it's actually quite a tricky pick. So let's get the vise in here. Get that in there, move the camera slightly. That should do it. And let's give it a go. So, Sparrow's tension wrench, Sparrow's hook. Begin on number 1. And we've got a slight false set, so 2, counter rotation, and we've dropped 1, there we go, that's 1 and 2, 3, counter rotation, and looks like 1's dropped again. Not got quite all the full set back, but still some of it. 4. Right, we've got a click out of 4. 1 dropped. 5. Click out of 5. 1. 2 still full set. 1 dropped again. There's 1, we've got the full set back, so 2 fill set, 3 fill set, 4, nothing, 5, click counter rotation, and we're open. So there we go, a no-name brass padlock, decent keyway, shame about the bitting on this one, but full of security pins for £3.75 delivered off eBay. Bargain if you ask me. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.